Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm your homemade method coach, Maddie Kuhn, and I'm joined here today by Joan, who is in our membership since November of 2025. So we're all the way here mid-July. You've been here for quite a few months, and you've achieved some wonderful results. So we're going to share your story today. Thank you so much for joining me, Joan.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so let's kick it off with hearing what life was like before you joined the homemade method.
It's kind of hard to explain. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I joined because something about the ads appealed to me, probably mostly just related to weight loss. That's certainly what caught my attention. And I've been carrying the same weight for a number of years and not real happy with that weight. So it was appealing. Yeah. Other than that, I don't suffer. I'm very fortunate. I don't suffer from prediabetes or high cholesterol or yeah. So
Yeah.
that was me.
Wonderful. And what had you tried to lose weight prior to joining us?
Oh, like everybody in the community, everything. Nothing for a long time, actually. Pretty much we just continuing to gain a little each year, but not really doing anything in particular. But certainly in my 20s and 30s, I was on every diet possible, every diet known to man. And always I was very successful and, of course, gained it all back.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't know, but eventually I hadn't weighed myself in years, literally, when I started the program. So I couldn't even, the reason I knew my weight was because I did go to see the physician for other things like a broken ankle or whatever.
Yeah.
So I knew what my weight was. I wasn't thrilled with it, obviously. And yeah, there you go.
Thank you for sharing. So I'd love to hear a little bit about how the program has been for you and what results you've achieved.
Yeah, it's just been phenomenal for me. Um, I did, as I read other people's frustrations with weight loss, I'm thankful that that's not been my experience because I have lost weight pretty steadily since I started. But there are several factors. One, I'm retired, so I'm not struggling like lots of people in the community who are struggling are balancing children, grandkids, husbands. I live by myself. So I really could dedicate myself to this. Also, I had just moved. I had been living in Mexico for 10 years and had just moved back to the United States. So I haven't really developed all those life relationships, processes, activities. So it was easier for me to carve out time than for some people, I think.
Mhm.
I'm also sort of an all or nothing person. So when I started, I would read people saying, well, there's the 80%, 20% rule. And I'd go, what's that? If you want to do this, do it. To myself, I wasn't, yeah, everybody has their own way. But so for me, I just dove. Oh, and then I got advice like, just start with one recipe. And I thought, well, why would I do that? So I started, yeah, and I was all in. So I just started doing all of my meals with. So in many ways, that was easier for me than maybe for some people. I think other people attain that, but for me, it was easy to start there and see results immediately. So, like within the first week, I saw results. I felt differently. I mean, I just started eating like that. Oh, the other thing, when I started, I thought, well, I don't know about that. I already avoid processed foods. I eat lots of vegetables. I don't eat tons of meat, but I think I get plenty of protein in because I'm a fish eater. So I really didn't think I had much to learn, to tell you the truth. I've learned otherwise, obviously, learned many things. Um, yeah, so the first week I just felt so much better. I could feel my pant sizes. Suddenly my pants were kind of loose, and that had happened for years. I had more energy. I felt great. So I had immediate results. Those are less apparent now. They're all still an issue, but they're now my norm. That's now become my norm instead of something surprising. Um, yeah, what else could I say about that? Oh, so the first time after I had been on 3 months, so I've been doing homemade method for 3 months, and I was going to travel back to Mexico for a month. And I was very nervous because I knew I couldn't exactly do this 100% HMM thing. Got lots of good advice on the community blog. But I wanted to know what I weighed so that I could tell how bad it was when I got back. So I arranged to go to the physician's office, not to see them, but just to use their scale. And I had surprisingly lost, I think, in the first 3 months, 13 pounds, 13, 14 pounds. So that was exciting. Then I went to Mexico, sure, and I did have a kitchen. And I had lived there 10 years, so I kind of knew how to get whatever I needed to get. And I managed still to do some HMN, but certainly follow the principles as much as I could. But, I still was forced to have a margarita or two.
Absolutely.
And I came back and I had lost weight. I had continued another 1 or 2 pounds, not a lot. And yeah, so since then, that's been my weight progression has been just continuing to lose a little bit. Every time I get on the scale, I'm stunned that I lose another pound or two. Seriously, because I'm not working so hard at it now.
Yeah, that's incredible. That's exactly how we want it to be. It's slow and steady is the safe way to lose weight and keep it off.
Yeah.
So I'm thrilled to hear that it's just been that exact situation for you. And you noticed like within the first week that your pants were loose, you felt so much better. I
Mm-hmm.
really try to drive home to folks that like how you feel is the best metric to follow, especially
Mm-hmm.
when you start, because when you feel good, that is your body giving you direct, real-time feedback that what you're doing is exactly what it needs.
Yeah.
Um, and
And I was going to say, and losing the sweet, I've never had a big sweet tooth, but immediately I was not interested in sweets. Now that's not, I now crave sweets a little anyway, but at that time it was
okay,
like, it was the last thing I was interested in. And
yeah.
I don't know how this relates, but I always had my refrigerator filled with sparkling water. Spindrift is a brand that has
Mhm.
just sparkling water and a little bit of fruit juice in it.
Yeah.
And I bought that regularly every time I went to the grocery store or Costco or wherever. And suddenly I realized that my refrigerator had spindrift in it that nobody was drinking. I no longer have an appetite for that. I don't know what that's about, but plain old water that was never my favorite is now important to me. I drink it.
Yeah. Oh, I love hearing that. It's pretty
Yeah.
amazing how your taste buds do change as
Yeah.
what you put in your body changes. And it's just, it's allowing your body to get back to the calibration that it needs in order to provide you with the food and nutrients that it wants to thrive.
Hmm.
So it's no surprise to me, but I love hearing it every time.
Yeah.
It's quite astonishing how it does occur.
Mhm.
So how much weight have you lost in total now?
I think that I would have to. Oh, and now I've decided, so I wasn't weighing myself except going to the doctors, but I really don't want to go back to the doctors particularly. So I now am on a plan that I've just started this month to weigh myself once a month at the first of the month. So I take my scale out. So I've done that once. I think I was down 27 pounds, and I haven't found my goal weight. I really don't know what it is. I'm perfectly comfortable where I am. I don't feel a need to lose more weight. But I do want to kind of monitor that because there still is that lifelong fear that you're putting it back on, or it doesn't matter that you're down for me, I'm down 2 sizes, 25 or 27 pounds, whatever it is, something like that. And obviously, I get a lot of feedback from my family and friends. Usually, though, what they say, some people say, "Have you lost weight?" But mostly people go, "Wow, you look really healthy." I mean, that's typically what the feedback I'm getting. Wow, you look really healthy. No, thank you.
Yeah,
So,
you look amazing. That's
yeah.
the first thing I said. I was like, wow, your skin's so nice. You look You look incredibly healthy. You look great in your body. I hope you feel great in your skin.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
Mm.
that makes me so happy, especially like going to Mexico, right? It's warmer weather. You're gonna be wearing less clothes. It's really nice to feel comfortable and confident in the body that you've got to go explore there.
Except that it's much hotter here now in the United States.
Oh, where are you located?
Well, I'm in Missoula, but every part of the United States is warmer than I lived
Yeah.
in Guanajuato, Mexico, which is at altitude of almost
Oh,
1,000 feet, and it's
yes. So it's
not,
actually cooler
yeah,
there. There we
not that
go.
hot. Rainy season now. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yes. Well, I'm so proud of
So
you. That's incredible. 25 to 27 pounds lost in what, 7 months? And
what is this? 8 months, 8 or
8 months, yeah. And like feeling
yeah.
so much better down 2 pant sizes. Is there any other like positive change that you've noticed?
I've always been a good sleeper, so that's not that particularly. But no, I mean, just feeling lighter and I
Yeah.
guess you're more energetic just because I feel lighter.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
yeah, for
What about
sure.
your lymphedema?
Oh, did I not talk about that? Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh.
We're doing it now.
Yeah. So prior to starting the program, I had 6 months prior broken my ankle and was struggling a lot with lymphedema. Probably not just from that, but exacerbated by the broken ankle and no movement and being in a wheelchair for about 9 weeks. Anyway, when I started the program, a part of my goal was not necessarily to work on my lymphedema, but it just started to resolve. So I, my comment is always, "Oh my gosh, I can see my ankles now." So
Yeah.
yeah, so the lymphedema is pretty well resolved, and I'm sure that's from the anti-inflammatory effects of the way I'm eating. And
Yes.
it's gotten much, much, much easier just by practice and probably reinforced both by the community blog as well as my results. It's way easier to just drive past any fast food place. But again, my life circumstances allow me to have more time at home to do that too. But
Yeah.
and yeah, and in the grocery store, I would never have believed that I could get through the ice cream aisle without stopping. And I do. It's just not a choice anymore. I'm perfectly happy without having ice cream, and probably sometime I would in the future. And I now eat a little more normally. I still do HMM a lot. I mean, I still base um, my day's intake on HMM recipes, but
Wonderful.
I also go out for pizza occasionally and do other things. That
That's great. I mean, the whole
Mhm.
point is to find a pace of cooking healthy, nourishing food that works for you while you don't feel like you're being deprived. So, in going out to enjoy the occasional pizza or ice cream or margarita with your buddies is totally acceptable. There's nothing off limits, and that's the beauty of it.
Right. That's the one other thing I was going to mention, and I've heard other people say this too. At the beginning, I remember I think maybe my first weekly report or whatever was about what a relief it was not to wake up going, "Oh God, what am I going to fix today? What am
Mm,
I going to cook today?" And I
yeah.
still do that a little bit as I cook for friends, even though the menu is from HMM, but still not. It's like, oh, what do I get to choose versus, oh my gosh, what am I fixing for dinner today or whatever. So
Yeah.
that's been a treat to have.
I love that.
And then I have a list now, of like, I don't know what, probably 25 menu things either that are often repeat or that I want to try. So
Mm,
most of the new ones I pick from, some from the weekly recipes, but a lot from the community and what other people are saying. And that's
yeah.
another feature about the app that I'm enjoying is that the ability to go back into the community and search on the name of the recipe that I'm going to make and see what other people have, commented about that recipe. So you learn that, oh, it was like way too sweet for me, or oh, I did this, or I chose to do that. And so it's a nice extra feature that I'm learning about. The app is not easy to use, I would say. And I'm learning all the time about how to make it more useful for me. But yeah.
Good. Good. Well, if you ever have any things that you want to see or things that you want to like see differently, we are always welcome to feedback because we build everything from scratch. So,
Yeah, I know a ton of work has gone into it. Yeah.
yes, yes.
It's just hard to make some of the connections. So I feel for people when they're starting and they give up because they can't quite, they think there's something wrong. There isn't. There's just a ton of stuff in there.
Yeah, there's a lot to offer. Well, to anyone who's watching this who's just starting, reach out. We've got lots of support for you. You can email us anytime. And
Oh, and that's the other thing. Whoever heard of a program where you have access? People should, when they look at the price they pay for the program, I don't really remember what that was because I did 3 months and then a year. But what I would say is they should look to see what it would take to have one visit from a nutritionist
it's
and
like $250.
the cost of that. And they have access the whole time on their program to all
Yep.
these fabulous nutritionists and dietitians. And that's worth a lot of money.
Yeah,
So even if that was the only thing, it makes it worth it.
agreed. I so agree. Thank you so much for saying that. That's kind.
Yeah.
All right. Well, my dear, thank you so much for joining me today and sharing a little bit about your story. I love hearing everyone's story, and it's so nice connecting with you and celebrating your wins.
Yeah. Thank
25 to
you.
27 pounds lost, two pant sizes smaller, lymphedema gone, more
Yeah.
energy, and generally just feeling better. They're all such gifts. So
Yeah.
I'm so
Thank you,
proud of you,
Maddie.
so thankful.
Hmm.
Awesome. Well, thank you so
Okay.
thank you
Take
so much.
care. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
you too.